burger three-way for a little extra summertime fun. Summertime fun usually means a barbecue. What do you think about making a jalapeno stuffed burger, a caramelized onion stuffed burger, and a feta cheese stuffed burger? 3 different burgers, 3 different ways. That's what we're going to do today as part of our June summertime fun extravaganza. Maybe I am toasting my buns. Usually at a barbecue, if you've been to my barbecues, you don't toast them. There's a bag of buns, you grab a bun and you go. I'm cooking inside. I'm toasting my buns. We're just gonna put those buns right down in there and toast them up. Those are some big buns. Let's just cook. I am using bacon that I already had cooked up, and I'm using some caramelized onions that I'd already cooked up. First thing we gotta do is get our jalapeno ready. Jalapeno. Depending how spicy you want it, leave some of the seeds. If you don't want it real spicy, get rid of the seeds. We're just gonna slice this up into little bits because you don't want to get a huge chunk of jalapeno in the burger, but you do want enough to taste it. You don't need to see me slicing jalapenos. How boring. To our cream cheese. That's what we've got here. We're gonna add our bacon into our cream cheese. Bacon. And that jalapeno that we just cut up. This is going to be a very jalapeno forward burger. Put in as much or as little as you like. As always, I give you the starter, you finish it up. And we're just going to mix that up. Nice and blended. That is mixed up beautifully. Beautifully. All right, I'm going to check my buns again. We just want a light toasting like I said. And I think that's good enough. Whoa, buns are toasted. Here we go. I'm gonna divide this. This is just a half pound, about a half pound. I'm just gonna divide it into 3 equal portions, I hope. If I had a scale, I could weigh them out, but nope. And we're gonna shove food in there. Then we're gonna make a ball. Our feta cheese. Let's just start with that one. Might not need all that. I might have overcompensated on my cheese ratio. We want to make sure that we seal it up really well. Otherwise, all that cheesy goodness is just going to ooze out into your pan. Caramelized onion. Sticky caramelized onion. Oh, why not stick them inside the burger? Right? Right. Then you get the flavor, but you don't get the mess. Although, messy burger's always a good burger. Last one going in. Our jalapeno popper burger. Look at that. I have enough to make like 3 or 4 more burgers. Oh, that would be really good as a topping on a burger. Oh, maybe you might have to use the rest of it up. Add a little something more to the burger. Now that we've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and fire my pan back up, and in they go. I'm gonna put them in as a ball, then I'm just gonna hand press them. I don't wanna do a smash burger because of the filling that's inside. If you smash it, kind of defeats the purpose because all that stuff is just gonna ooze right out. So we're just gonna hand smash and pray for the best. And because they are a leaner burger, they should not shrink up much. But if you kind of poke them like this, make like little divots, it tends to keep them from shrinking up on you. In theory. I am cooking these at about a medium temp. We're gonna let those go. Almost forgot. Got a little salt and a little pepper. I'm just gonna add a little bit of extra flavor to the meat. You don't wanna put it into the meat when you're mushing them up together because then you're gonna lose a lot of that flavor. When you mush it, it's not gonna be the same. Just don't do it. I have opted, because all that leftover goodness we have, I'm just gonna put it on one of my burgers. Probably the jalapeno burger. Makes sense, doesn't it? It's gonna give a little bit of extra flavor, but you know what? You could probably spread this on the one that you're gonna put the caramelized onion one on. That would be good too. I don't think you can go wrong. Now at a barbecue, I am just gonna dress these with nothing. I'm gonna leave the buns plain, and I know comments are gonna come down. I'm leaving it plain only because it's summertime. You don't want to leave, I don't want mayonnaise as a condiment at a barbecue unless you for sure have a cooler. People have ketchup and mustard, so it's your choice. Put on whatever you want on your burger. That's the whole point of a barbecue too. You make it to your liking. I'm gonna taste that burger though, just as is. We are about ready to flip. I hope you've enjoyed our June series to get you ready for your summertime fun. If you have, do this. Not to me though, to the subscribe button down below. For me, you know, whatever. You know, if you see me on the street, just come up, boop, hit that subscribe. Give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Leave me comments. If you've left me comments before, you know I answer all of them. Shall we flip? I think we shall. Boom! Oh, perfect. Burger number 2. Boom! Perfect. And burger number 3. Boom! Perfect. Intricacies? What's that? Like my lack of English. What? My intricacies? Intricacies? Intricacies! Nailed it. My intricacies. Intricacies?
She's broke again.
I'm gonna flip them one more time just to get a look at that other side. Yeah, we're good to go. Shall we plate these bad boys up? The answer is yes. Yes, we should. Now the fun part. Luckily, I had a blowout, so I know which one is my jalapeno one because I don't remember which one it goes on. So we've got a caramelized onion burger. That's the feta cheeseburger. This is the caramelized onion burger. And jalapeno popper stuffed burger. Don't worry, I won't leave you hanging. We're gonna slice into those bad boys. Here we go. Burger number 1. Here we go, money shot. Boom. Oh, jalapeno popper stuffed burger. Burger number 2. Oh, feta cheese stuffed burger. Burger number 3. The onion burger, right there. Caramelized onion burger. And there we have it. 3 juicy burgers. You can dress these up with any condiments you want. If you want to add lettuce, tomato, onion, whatever you have at your barbecue, add it. Doesn't get any better than taking a burger and making it your own. And that's exactly what you can do with these. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye. Intricacies.